Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a handmade crochet phone bag. This project is simple, practical, and perfect for daily use. It's also a great idea if you like handmade accessories. First, choose 2 or 3 yarn colors that you like. You can combine different colors to make your phone bag look more colorful and unique. Start crocheting from the bottom and work 1 row at a time. Try to keep your stitches even and neat as you go. When you change colors, cut the yarn carefully. This will help your work look cleaner and more organized. Continue crocheting row by row until the piece is long enough to fit your phone. After finishing the first side, crochet the second side in the same way. Make sure both sides are the same size. Then place them together and sew the edges neatly to connect the 2 sides. Next, crochet a strap for the phone bag. You can make it as long or as short as you like. Once it's ready, securely sew the strap onto the bag so it's strong and comfortable to use. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.
Wow!
And now your crochet phone bag is finished. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. ****